Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, however you're listening. Thank you once again for making me a part of your day. And thank you also to all my new Patreon supporters. I'm getting new ones every single day. It blows my mind. But the stuff that I share there, I'm making it worth it. The unlimited messaging, phone calls are available. And so thank you all. For those of you who have signed up, I do truly believe that it will be worth your while having me as a patron-e. I don't even know what to call that. With me having you as a patron. How about that? So overnight, things got a little interesting. You're seeing a lot of pink on this table, on this chart, aside from Bitcoin and Ethereum. And of course, Doge. Are you kidding me? Doge. And some other ones as well. Matic is on fire, and so some things happened overnight. Oh my god, they're just annoying. I'm so tired of Dogecoin. Just can we be done with Doge? I know we can't. We're not going to be done with Doge, but Doge is. If you think for a second that Doge isn't stealing some of Bitcoin's luster, then I don't know what to say to you. Doge is stealing away from people are selling their Bitcoin to buy Doge right now. Okay, and so is that a bad thing? Yes, in a sense. It delegitimizes cryptocurrency as a whole. Doge is literally a joke. It was created as a joke. But let's just take a look. Let's take a look at the two big things that happened over the last 24 hours. First of all, Mark Cuban got on the Ellen show and touted Dogecoin as, quote, a whole lot better than a lottery ticket. I mean, it wasn't a surprise to me that Mark Cuban, who is following in Elon Musk's heels because apparently he wants to be as famous as Elon Musk. I like Mark Cuban. He was very supportive with GameStop, but it seems to me that all he's really doing is just trying to ride on Elon Musk's heels and become more famous. Fame matters to Mark Cuban. Can we just say that? Is that okay? It matters to him. And so, yeah, he's going to hype Dogecoin. He's going to say positive things about it. And Dogecoin, okay. And so he went on Ellen and he talked about Dogecoin, a show with an average of 1.5 million viewers, many of whom are women below the age of 54. In other words, a perfect audience to enter into the cryptocurrency sphere. So whatever you want to say about that, legitimately people sold their Dogecoin to buy Bitcoin. And the other thing that happened overnight was Dogecoin skyrockets after Elon Musk labels himself the, quote, Doge father. So Elon Musk hinted he's coming up on SNL soon. So because he's coming up on SNL, excuse me, I do believe that Doge is a good short-term play, but I do see it as a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing, that people are going to get really, really excited. Oh, the price of Doge is going to skyrocket after Elon Musk goes on SNL. But the smart money, they're buying Doge now in anticipation of him appearing on SNL so that they can then dump it. And so be careful with Doge. Good short-term play, sure, but this could be one of these things where it either skyrockets after Elon Musk appears or it dumps. I don't see it trading sideways after an SNL appearance by Elon Musk. He will absolutely be hyping up Doge on SNL, probably during his opening monologue. And so he hinted that in this article. And look at the price action overnight. So Doge, let me go to Doge real quick, because Doge shot up at like 2 in the morning. It's going to take a while for this page to load, but around 2 in the morning Eastern time, Doge shot up. And if you see around here, that's when when Bitcoin hit its bottom was about 2 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, now it's the dip has come in. People bought that dip. Thank you very much, dumb money. The smart money bought that dip. But looking at Doge here, same thing. It shot up like crazy at 2 in the morning. So what do you make of that? Honestly, some people sold their Bitcoin to buy Doge, and I'm just like, you've got to be kidding me. Really. I mean, maybe it's the smart money hopping on before other people get in, but there we go. People, I see the correlation. They sold some other cryptos to buy Doge, and it's insane to me. The times that we live in, this is insanity. But hey, you know what? Look at this recovery. We have recovered quite nicely with Bitcoin and with Ethereum, and I do expect alts to come back. So, that was a dip. I'm not going to say it was entirely Doge related, but I think Doge had something to do with it. But look at Ethereum, guys. I said last week Ethereum was at about $2,300. I said, hey guys, hint, now is a great time to get an Ethereum. And if you're considering now that Ethereum is at its all-time highs, should I wait for a dip or should I get in? I would dollar cost average, because Ethereum is poised. It is poised to break out. I am on record predicting an $8,000 to $10,000 Ethereum this year. And honestly, with ETH 2.0 rolling out sometime this summer, I might be a little bit conservative. And I hope I am, because, man, if Ethereum were to shoot up to something like $20,000, which some people are calling for, I will be a very happy man, and I hope some of you will as well. And so looking at these things, I do expect all of these, I really think that a lot of these other altcoins are going to be following Ethereum's lead. As Ethereum is hitting all-time highs, I expect some other ones. Maybe not Binance, because Binance is scorching hot right now, but Polkadot, we'll see about VET. Cardano, I expect to break out. XRP for sure. Chainlink, there's just a lot of attractive options here. But I am looking at one in particular for a short-term play. I tweeted this out. I'm going to be making some other videos on other platforms as well. But here's, just for some reference, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I said that Polygon, aka Matic, was probably my number one choice for a short-term play. I was just looking at the chart and seeing a spike after they went on Coinbase, and then a lot of consolidation, and then I just felt like it was due. And this was when Polygon was in the 40s somewhere. Yesterday it shot up to about 90 cents before having a little bit of a sell-off. And so it was exactly what I said it was. It was a great short-term play. And so I'm not a huge short-term play kind of guy, but if you want to go off my recent track record at least, Maker was another one that I was hyping up pretty big for a short-term play. That also did well. Here's my thoughts right now. I'm thinking that Polkadot is due. And I think that alts in general are due, that they've been slow to recover as Bitcoin has recovered from its dip down to 47,000, and as Ethereum has just kind of decided to just be its own thing, and reaching new all-time highs. I expect a lot of other alts to reach their all-time highs. And so Polkadot right now is at $33.74. Its all-time high was somewhere under $50. I think $49 intraday was its all-time high. So for it to get back to that all-time high and go beyond it, that's a pretty significant move. And I wouldn't be surprised if something like that happened in the next 2 to 3 weeks. We'll see, but I am putting money in Polkadot for now, and I do expect for short-term gains to do that. Now, short-term gains in general, I'm not a huge fan of, but given the fact that I have established positions in Bitcoin and Ethereum and Binance and now in Cake, I am willing to put $1,000 or so into Polkadot with the expectations that this price is going to shoot up. So that's my short-term move. There's plenty of options on this chart here. Chainlink is looking really good. There's some people that I've been interacting with who are super bullish on Chainlink, who think 350 this year, no doubt. That's about a 10x from here. So I'm in on Chainlink. I'm in on some other things. But guys, this is a gold mine right now. Now is the time to get into other alts. So do some research, choose wisely. But I think now is a great time. Stay away from Matic just because, it got extremely hot there and dumb money came in. People, whenever a coin gets hot, people are asking me, should I get in? Should I get in? And my answer is no. Don't look for dark green on these charts. Here's Matic at dark green. Don't look for the dark green. Look for the pink. Look for the dark red. VET is looking juicy right now. Look for those ones. But not for the ones that are going crazy because of corrections. That's not an insignificant dip for Matic. So those are my plays. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Where are we going short and long term? I know my opinion, and I wouldn't be surprised if many of you thought the same thing. But that's all I have for today. Have a great rest of your week, and be prosperous out there. Peace.